Hey there, I'm Adrian, and today I'll be unboxing the AstroAI multifunctional air compressor. Looking at the box, it has two power supplies with two different inflation modes. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Digging in the box, we've got an accessory bag with a few different nozzles for bike tires, balls, and other inflatables. A spare fuse, a handy user manual, an AC and DC power cord, and of course, the compressor itself. That's what's in the box. But what can this compressor actually do? Probably my favorite feature are the dual power cords for plugging this compressor in on the road or in the garage. You see, this is for the 12-volt outlets in your car, and this one can plug into your standard 120-volt wall outlets at home, regardless of how you plug it in. This thing is no joke. In high pressure mode, it inflates a car tire from 0 to 36 psi in 5 minutes or less. There's also a large volume mode that pumps up to 350 liters per minute. That is perfect for larger inflatables like air mattresses and rafts. This compressor is super easy to use. It has this LED flashlight for better visibility at night, individual buttons for smooth controls, and a screen that displays a preset and current tire pressure. Not to mention an upgraded metal cylinder for better reliability and longer lifespan. I think this AstroAI compressor checks all my boxes. Let's get out of here and see how it works. I'm gearing up to go camp for the night, but I need to top off my tires before I head out. With this compressor, all I need to do is set the power mode to AC, plug it in, connect it to the tire, and set the pressure. It even turns itself off when it hits the preset pressure. All right, I think we're good to go. Let's hit the road. Now that we're here, it's time to set up camp. I'm gonna need somewhere to sleep, so let's pump up this mattress. This is where the DC cord comes in handy. I just need to set the power mode to DC, plug it into my 12-volt cigarette lighter, attach the hose to the inflation port, and press the large volume mode button. Well, that's the AstroAI multifunctional air compressor. It's portable, convenient, and versatile. No matter where you are, it'll inflate everything from car and bike tires to sports equipment and air mattresses. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and can use AstroAI to enjoy all of life's adventures.